All right, next we're going to briefly discuss how the iControl connects to the internet. Don't worry, we're not going to go into all kinds of intricate details here, but if you're doing this connection yourself, we can provide you with a really helpful document. We also have an excellent IT partner that specializes in our technology, and they're available depending on your location to be on site and do the installation. They can also assist you remotely with the installation. But briefly, here's what happens. The iControl's keypad needs an internet connection. This can be done in one of three ways. The first way, and this is my personal preference, is that you run a Cat5 cable, which is also known as an Ethernet cable, between the router that's in your house and the sump area. And it's plugged in at both ends. That's a very solid, reliable connection to your router. Number two, maybe you don't have any way of getting a cable between the two, so then you do the same thing and your router has to be wireless or Wi-Fi, and you use a wireless adapter down in the basement with this. And now these two things talk to each other and you have your iControl connected to the internet. The third way to do this is perhaps your iControl system is in an area where you don't have a router. There is no internet connection in the house. Maybe it's installed at a second home or in a vault in a park district. We've had those, or in a school's basement. In those situations, the iControl kind of almost like needs its own internet, and we can build your iControl system so that it has its own internet. We just use some wireless technology to accomplish that. And now, even if it's in a location without existing internet, you can take advantage of the remote monitoring and control capabilities and the email and the text alarm capabilities of the system. So once the keypad has an internet connection through some sort of router, there's a couple basic edits on the router that need to be done. We're not going to go into those changes here. Connecting the iControl to the internet is pretty simple for somebody with basic networking knowledge, but if that is not you, don't worry, we're here to help.